Assalamu alaikum, lovely people. It's another day. We're gonna make a delicious Ilara Mazila recipe, and today we're gonna make some baked Mazila chicken. It's just gonna be delicious. What we're gonna do, we're gonna roast the whole chicken, but we're gonna cut it. So what we need, we need a little some garlic ginger paste, and then we need, of course, juice of 1 lime. We need 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, and of course some salt to taste. We will need some tomato paste, and then we're gonna go in with our lovely Mazila. We'll love this. Let's do this. All right, guys, so here's the thing. Now we have our capon. We're just gonna we're just gonna remove this. Alafu, we're gonna remove what's inside of the chicken. Yep, that is maini and mafirgisi. You put it aside. And then now you want to turn that chicken that way, and now you're going to go in with your knife like that, and then now you want to cut the backbone, right, like that. Remove the entire backbone. No tom gongo. Easy. Look at that. Very easy. And then you go here, and then you just do the same. That way, make sure that you get it out as a line. So yeah, that's good. You can always also use a knife if you'd like, or a what you call this, scissors. Great, it's gonna be easy. So let's use some scissors. Great, and then just remove it that way. Some kitchen scissors, eh? These are the kitchen scissors, abeti kroka. Yep, done deal. Yep. So this is good. You have your chicken now. When you turn this chicken, it's basically gonna be a butterfly chicken. Like, look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yep, I love these fats. I'm not gonna remove them, but it's all good. So you wanna turn this like that, turn this like that, make it look like a butterfly. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Now this is the butterfly chicken. This is what you call the butterfly chicken. It looks like that. So let's marinate it, and then we take it from there. At this point, you can use a bowl or anything, or a casserole, because now you wanna marinate this chicken. First thing, we are gonna squeeze some lime or lemon juice on the chicken. Finilia everywhere. Once you have your lemon juice in the mix, go in with your garlic ginger paste, right? And now you wanna rub all over. Turn it. Yeah, and rub everywhere, each corner that you can see. Rub. Flavor that chicken. Yes. Okay, now go in with some salt. Now sprinkle some salt all over the chicken, and then go in with your black pepper all over the chicken, and then go in with your paprika all over the chicken. And then you're gonna go in with some turmeric all over the chicken, and then I wanna go in with some tomato paste all over the chicken. Yes, and then now you wanna give it a rub. Okay, yeah, rub, baby, rub all over. Turn it. Yes, rub everywhere. Distribute all over. Okay, wacha utamu ingie kila mahali. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. That looks good. Now it's time to use the magic, and we're talking about the Ilara Mazila. So you're gonna go with at least 300 ml of the Ilara Mazila. Yep. Yeah, that is fantastic. Now what you're gonna do, you want to keep on mixing everything so that the flavors from the spice would, mix with the buttermilk or Mazila, and then you want to turn it again. Make sure that you scoop all these beautiful flavors and marinate all over. So you want to keep this in the marinade for at least 2 hours or so, or even 3. So what I did, I already have one marinated, so that I can be able to just go straight into the oven, so that I don't waste your time, because I know you guys are awesome. Okay, so important, let it stay in the marinade for at least 2 to 3 hours, and then you can go with it in the oven and start roasting it. All right, but now just let it soak. This is good. We're gonna get what has been marinating in the fridge for at least 3 hours, and we are good. Let's go bake this baby. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take that chicken and we're gonna put it on a wire rack. Okay, so this is basically the wire rack that comes with your oven. However, you can always grill this chicken. Char grilled on charcoal is all good, or you can basically make sure that it is on the butterfly mode. So we're talking about that way. You put the legs a little bit facing one another, and then this can either be facing the back like that, like kama amejishikilia mgongo, like that. And now you want to throw it into the oven for at least 1 hour plus at 180 degrees Celsius. And then you keep on taking the chicken. If you have to turn, you'll just keep on turning it, and then we're gonna take it from there. We are at 180, and here is the chicken. And remember, when you put it in the oven, make sure that you have the tray underneath so that it can be able to roast, and all the juices would probably, like, you know, just fall up down there, and you won't waste them. You can just use them to baste on top and just make it work. Let's do this. We are Waru Nation. Now we are just gonna roast some potatoes as well to go with it, but you can just decide to go eat the chicken with anything like ugali, you know, kachumbari. We're gonna do potatoes because we are Waru Nation. Check the chicken. Ooh, looking good. Okay. Boom! That looks good to me. My chicken is done. Let's do this. Okay, so that's looking good. So I'm just trying to lift it up, and I'm gonna move it to my serving platter. Alright, that's ready. Looks delicious. You can serve it with any of your favorite sauces. And then look at those potatoes. Oh my god, Waru Nation, let's do this. Ready to roll.
Ya Nabi, salam alayka. Ya Rasul, salam alayka.
So with the chicken, we're going to make a quick dressing. So we have some Ilara Mazila, and we're going to go in with juice of 1 lemon, and then a little bit of some black pepper to go in the mix. You know how I love my spice. And of course, we're gonna go in with some paprika. Some paprika in the mix. Yep. And then we are just gonna add a bit of some salt and make it firm, and we're gonna give it a good mix.